G'day folks, I'm Benno. Welcome to the shed. Today I've finally got these tanks mounted up, and I'll give you a quick look at what's going on there. Alright, so here we go. It's all welded in. So that's top mount for the tanks, bottom front mount for the tanks, rear mounts for the tank, all the tanks, forward seat mount, centre bumper, rear bumper, and rear brace on the subframe. Now it's time to put it all together. Everything fits just nicely, which I'm pretty happy about. I'd be pissed if I had to fucking juggle around and do all sorts of bullshit to make things fit. Two tanks. They might put things in finger tight at the moment. Make the seat in. Oops. The only thing I've got to do is I've got to change these mounts, make them a bit longer, and I'm going to put a tag in under the bottom here to bolt the seat down onto. So it's all together. Well, all together as together as it's going to get for the moment. These mounts on down here, I can adjust the width of the rear of the tank just by adjusting the nuts. Yeah, so I'm pretty pleased. So I'm going to make up a set of risers for the handlebars. They should sit roughly there, which is going to be quite comfortable, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the progress. This is all, even though it's only got one screw in it, it's nice and solid. I don't move around at all. Just need to do a couple of brackets for that seat, but it's Sunday and I've had enough. So, alright guys, I'm Benno. This is the shed. That's the XJ, well that's a Harley tank, that's XJ900, Honda seat, all mounted up, ready to go. Now just got to look at the front end and the engine and the tow bar. So, still a bit more to do on this thing. Alright guys, catch you later. Have a great day.